Juggling effortlessly a hectic schedule while indulging in scrumptious, keto-friendly delights. It's not a dream, but a reality waiting to unfold. First, use these tips for hacking the culinary clock. Strategic meal prepping. This will help you stay on track and avoid any last-minute decisions that might derail your progress. Devote a dedicated day to preparing keto-friendly ingredients in bulk, ensuring that your week is armed with ready-to-go components. From chopping veggies to marinating proteins, this proactive approach transforms cooking from a daily chore into a streamlined experience. Instant Pot magic. Instant Pot is a keto enthusiast's best friend. From succulent meats to perfectly cooked veggies, the Instant Pot is a time-saving wizard that guarantees flavor without fuss. Freezer-friendly delights. Prepare extra portions of your favorite recipes and freeze them in individual servings. This not only ensures a diverse menu but also offers the convenience of grabbing a wholesome meal from the freezer. How about tips to elevating flavor, minus the effort? Seasoning shortcuts. Elevate your keto creations with clever seasoning shortcuts. Invest in pre-mixed keto-friendly spice blends or whip up your own in advance. Having these flavor enhancers at your fingertips minimizes the need for complex seasoning during the cooking process, allowing you to infuse every dish with deliciousness effortlessly. One-pan wonders. Simplify your cooking routine with one-pan wonders that merge flavors seamlessly. Whether it's a hearty stir-fry or a baked masterpiece, utilizing a single pan minimizes cleanup while maximizing taste. Busy beginners can revel in the joy of crafting gourmet meals without the hassle of an extensive post-cooking cleanup. Batch cooking brilliance. Streamline your kitchen routine by embracing the concept of batch cooking. Prepare larger quantities of key components like proteins, veggies, and sauces, storing them for future use. This not only saves time during busy weekdays but also opens the door to diverse meal combinations without the need for constant culinary reinvention. Now let's delve into the 6 rules of keto efficiency. Nutrient-dense choices. Opt for high-quality, whole ingredients that not only adhere to the principles of ketosis but also pack a punch of essential vitamins and minerals. Efficiency meets health as you savor meals that not only taste good but contribute to your overall well-being. Mindful snacking. For busy individuals, snacking often becomes a stumbling block in the path to health. Have a repertoire of quick, keto-friendly snacks readily available, from cheese and nuts to veggies with dip, ensuring that your energy levels stay optimal throughout the day. Hydration Huga. Infuse water with herbs, fruits, or electrolyte-enhancing supplements to make hydration a flavorful experience. A well-hydrated body is a thriving body, amplifying the benefits of your ketogenic lifestyle. Time-saving recipe repositories. Explore online repositories, cookbooks, or apps specifically tailored for time-conscious individuals. Having a curated collection of go-to recipes ensures that your culinary journey remains exciting, achievable, and, above all, time-efficient. Community support. Connect with fellow keto enthusiasts, share time-saving tips, and gather inspiration from the experiences of others. A supportive community not only alleviates the challenges of busy schedules but also transforms the journey into a shared adventure. Mindful time management. Prioritize tasks, delegate when possible, and embrace the concept of measured multitasking. By focusing on efficient utilization of time, you carve out moments for self-care, relaxation, and, most importantly, relishing the fruits of your keto culinary labor. The hacks shared here aren't mere shortcuts. These are pathways to mastering the art of keto cooking without compromising on the demands of a busy schedule. With each hack adopted, you inch closer to effortless keto mastery, a journey where health, flavor, and time harmoniously converge. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comment section if you want to get a free keto diet cooking book package worth $150. We ask only a small shipping and handling fee.